Few days ago, I struggled before I could remove the section break I added in a document. All right, MS Word document. So in this video, learn how to do it in easy steps. Okay, so this is a document on the assumption that this is a book manuscript, which I want to publish somewhere. Okay, this is the content section, and this is the chapter one. So chapter one starts from a new section. From here is a new section of the book. So I have section break from here. So, and I want to remove it. What do you do? The first step you need to take is to click on the home tab. All right. So once you're on this home tab of your Word document, click on this show on hide paragraphs. Okay. Then click there once. So once you click there once, you will see this section break. All right, you will see this. This is where it starts to, it moves to this next section. Anywhere you see this section break, click here so that your cursor will be blinking here. All right, it must be blinking here on this line where you have this section break. Then locate the delete key of your computer keyboard. I have it on the screen here. All right, so I have it on the screen here. So locate that delete key. All right. It's spelled delete, delete key. Then press on that delete key once. And this section break is gone. So once it's gone, click be on the home tab and click back on this show and hide paragraph and other formatting symbol. Click on it once. Your document returns back to normal. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on software use and other tech tutorials. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will push this video to more people. And leave a comment in the comment section. Let me hear something you have to say about this video. Is it helpful? Just say something, please, okay? You can watch this video here to learn how to use MS Word software on your laptop or PC in detail. Thank you and see you some other time.